the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, remember, hey.
Awesome. And the list continues on and on. By the way, me and my American wife, we love to eat all the food in your brain jotter. I know my wife is very excited. Sweetie, are you?
Oh yeah, I am very excited. I can't wait to have the greatest moment of my life.
Creating this kind of animation video used to be very hard. From concept to pre-production, the whole animation pipeline used to be very capital intensive. I could not afford to go into such capital-intensive project. Thanks to AI, platforms like Luma Labs, Kling, Pixverse, and Minimax have made video creation simple and stress-free. Creating a short animation like this is now very easy though. Most of this video generation platforms are not perfect, still struggling with physics and at times lip sync. But every day they come up with major improvements. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to create similar animation so that you can start making money from YouTube. Make sure you watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. First, I'm going to introduce you to all the free AI tools used in this project. There is a link in the description below. I started by generating characters for the animation. And to do this, I used Image Effects, an image generation tool from Google. You can use any other image generation tool like Leonardo, Recraft, Crea, or OpenArt. After generating the characters, I have to convert them to 3D assets. And to do this, I use the tool called Rodin, a 3D asset generation tool. I'm using the free version, which is equally good. Upload your character images and click on the Generate button. In less than 2 minutes, your 3D asset is ready. The next step, I have to rig the 3D models in any 3D modeling software, such as Cinema 4D or Blender. Don't be scared because I mentioned 3D software. You can as well bypass this process by training your own characters in any AI image generating platform that offer this services, but know that it's not free, and if you're doing it with your local PC, you must have a good GPU hardware. Next, I am going to rig the characters just like this. After rigging the characters, it is time to pose the characters and take shots. Here are the shots I took. I'm going to use these shots to create the animation using Pixverse and Minimax. Have made a video about how to use Pixverse. I didn't have any story in my head while doing this. If you need a script for your animation, you can use ChatGPT or any other platform to generate a short script for your animation. By the time I put all my shots together, a story began to form. Next, I have to animate the shots. I use Pixverse and Minimax. Both are good and both also have shortcomings. For example, I did not prompt for a camera movement in Pixverse AI, but Pixverse decided to pan the image background. Likewise, Minimax, which seems not to understand every prompt. For example, instead of the image walking towards the camera, it decided to stay in one place. In order to overcome all this, you need to keep repeating till you get a desired outcome. I'm going to edit the video using Camtasia Studio. You can use CapCut, which is free online. To add voiceover, I'm going to use 11 Labs, which is so far the best text-to-speech AI tool. Wow. Thanks for now. Let's watch the rest of the clip. And in the meantime, don't forget to like the video, hit the subscription button, and ring the notification bell so as to be notified when next I upload another interesting video.
The conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, remember, hey.
Good day, Chief, and welcome to Nature Restaurant, the home of good Nigerian cuisines. What can we offer you, Chief?
What do you have? Where is the menu?
Don't worry, I have it offhand. We have rice and stew, goat meat, pepper soup, chicken pepper soup, fisherman pepper soup, beans and yam, fried yam and fish.
Awesome. And the list continues on and on. By the way, me and my American wife, will love to eat all the food in your brain jotter. I know my wife is very excited. Sweetie, are you?
Oh, yeah, I am very excited. I can't wait to have the greatest moment of my life.
Phew, I said it. Can we start with jollof rice?
Yeah, jollof rice, Nigerian jollof rice. People say it's the best.
You got it. You got it. Baby, Nigerian jollof rice.
I'm in love with this environment. The clean air, no noise pollution, only the sound of birds in the trees. I spotted some monkeys walking around freely on the open field. It is amazing and beautiful. Your village is a paradise. I want to come back next December.
Jollof rice is absolutely the best. That's small. You have not seen something yet. When we are done with this, I'm going to take you around. I promise you, it's going to be a great experience. Home is home and village is village. That's why I always come home every Christmas and New Year.
Love this. Awesome.
Wonderful.
Can't wait.
Great. The greatest
Magnificent.
jollof. Yeah,
Beautiful.
Nigerian jollof.
Love
best.
the aroma.
Let's go down, baby.